It's late October and a very windy day. A quick check on my wind app on my cell phone shows the wind speeds from 14 to 17 miles per hour. Here I find a cove to get in out of the wind, and fortunate enough to have this nice redfish hit my gold spoon. Usually on a windy day, I'll take along my live well and my bait casting net. Then I will catch some live bait and anchor somewhere instead of trying to fight the wind all day long. Usually I'm also on the water before the crack of dawn, but today I didn't even leave the house until 11 a.m., going with the attitude to get some exercise and enjoy the scenery, and today would not be a good fishing day. This is where a kayak with a pedal drive and a rudder is a big advantage. The fish is trying to pull me towards the mangroves, and at the same time the wind is blowing my kayak towards those mangroves. I am able to turn my rudder and pedal and move my kayak away from the mangroves. I realize this is a decent fish, and I look down and also realize that I forgot my fish grips. This guy is putting up quite a fight. I am fishing with 15-pound test braided line with 20-pound test fluorocarbon leader. Mr. Redfish says, "Not yet." Here he swims under the kayak. Now you have to make sure with the pedal kayak that you have those flippers up flat against the bottom of your boat, or he will definitely wrap the line around them and be gone. A nice surprise on a day that I didn't think I'd catch any fish. Also, a good thing I had my GoPro head strap snapped to my hat, or it would have been gone in the wind.